In this video, we'll guide you through managing front ends in your website's admin area, ensuring a flexible and controlled online presence. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. Click on Sales Channels and select the specific tab for the type of front end you want to manage: physical, virtual, or marketplaces. Add a new sales channel or switch the status of existing front ends with the status switch. Use drag and drop to change the display order of sales channels for improved visibility. Utilize the quick search feature to easily find sales channels by name and URL. The detailed configuration of the front end is represented by extensive functions that allow you to edit the selected front end to view or update information, assign categories and products, configure settings, copy existing channels, select themes, configure localization, set up working timetables, and enable watermarks for added security. Now let's consider each function separately. Click on the Assign Categories Products button to assign multiple products and categories to a specific front end using the bulk assignment feature. Click on the Configuration button to configure various options by choosing option groups and editing or deleting options as needed. Copy an existing sales channel with a single click using the Copy button. Click on the Choose Theme button to assign a new theme to a certain sales channel. Configure Localization option allows you to set languages, currencies, date and time formats, location services, and access restrictions. Create and customize working timetables, including opening hours, postal cutoff times, and holidays. Click on the Setup Watermark button to enable and set up watermarks for images to enhance security. Now that you have configured the required front end, you can take additional steps to assign values and filter products, categories, orders, and customers, email templates, and modules based on the front end. Effectively managing front ends enhances your online store's functionality and presentation. Utilize these steps for a seamless and tailored user experience.